Good evening, everybody. Today, I'm going to tell you how to do the listening test of the IEL. Actually, the listening test of IEL, if you want to get a high band IEL score, you should have a good listening skill. The other factor is the coordinations among your eye, your ear, and your head. So your eye is responsible uh, for looking at the keyword on the paper. So actually your eyes responsible for the keyword on the paper and your ear responsible for listening to the conversation. By that way, you will see that the conversation they will mention to the keywords that you can see here. Sometimes they mention to the synonym, and sometimes they mention to the similar phrases. Right. So actually, when you keep your eye on the keyword while you're listening to the audio, you will be able to catch the answer. When you catch the answer for each question, you should write down the answers into this box immediately. But the online test, you do not have a paper in front of you, right? So what you need to do, you have to prepare a book and a pencil. Just put it on the table in front of you. And now try to practice. Let's keep your eye on the keyword while you listen to the audio and try to catch the answer for each question. When you keep your eye on the keyword, you will see that they will mention to the keyword that you can see on the text. And you can follow the conversation, right? And catch the answer right out on your notebook. Right. You actually the listening test of IELTS it has 40 questions divided into four parts, 10 questions for each part. So we have to write out the answers, all answers on the notebook now, right? Yeah. Try to catch all answers on your uh, try to catch all answer and write down it on the notebook. Write down 40 answers on your notebook. At the end, you have 10 minutes to transfer the answers into the answers boxes on the right hand side, right? So, how about the strategy for studying? So, for listening test, you have to do it twice. When you practice, you have to do it twice. For the first time you do the test, you will be able to know your real band IELTS score. And when you do it again for the second time, it, it would be easier for you. And the result of the second time is your potential band IELTS score, right? The second time would be easier for you because when you do the second time, you already know which answer you did it correctly and which answer you make it wrong. So you just listen for the wrong answer. And for the second time, you also have to fill all answers into the answers boxes on the right hand side, right? You have to do it twice, right? So the first time is your real band IELTS score. The second time it is your potential band IELTS score, right? And now I'm going to copy the link and sending to you now. So what you need to do, just open the link and share the screen with me, right? You should share the screen with me to let me know that you are doing the test. And you should know how to share it with the sound, right? I'm going to tell you how to share the screen now. All right.